Hey, welcome to the show. I have three new phone cases for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Each one of these has a cool feature to it. This one right here has a sliding door to protect your camera lens. This one right here is waterproof. It surrounds your whole phone and helps protect it. And this one right here is a clear case. So let's go ahead and take a look at this one right away. Right now I do have a dummy unit of the Galaxy S22 Ultra, but it's fitting pretty snug in there. Look at this phone case. When I'm squeezing it, it's all flexible. It's all flexible. It feels like a soft, rubbery feel to it. And I'm going to go ahead and put this phone in here to show you what it looks like. It has a nice grip to it. The buttons are very nice and pushable. It surrounds your camera lens right here with a nice beveled edge. And right here it kind of comes up, so I don't think that's going to interfere at all if you have a screen protector on here. Take a look at my other videos. I have the Whitestone Dome glass protector, so I don't think that's going to interfere at all. This is one of my favorite features I wish they had on all the phone cases, is a sliding door to help protect your camera lens. So when you're using your camera, doesn't interfere at all. It has a beveled edge around the side. And when you have this in your pocket or, in your jacket or whatever, you can just close this door right here and it'll help protect your camera lens. That way you won't need to put on a camera lens protector right here. On this case, here are the buttons. And then the bottom, the ports are open so you can access your pen tool. And then you have your microphone port that's open right here. I just like that door. That is very cool. This right here is a waterproof case. You put your phone inside. It comes in two pieces, and then you're going to snap this in. Listen to that. It just snaps in really nice and snug. I like that. And this part right here, it's all protecting your camera lens, all the ports. Even this, there is a part right here. I don't know if you can see this. This right here, right? Even this for the microphone, it doesn't go all the way through. There's a part right here that prevents water from going in. And also for the pen tool and for your connection right here. If you need to use your pen tool, you just take this part, snap it out, and you'll be able to use your pen tool right here. Same thing with this port right here. If you need to use that, just click this part out, snap it out, boom, you can access your port there. And then when you're done using it, put that in there. So this is great if you want to have an added protection for waterproof, or maybe you're going to be out in a dusty area and you just don't want dust to get dirty inside your phone. I like that blocky feeling that it's going to protect your phone really nice. And like I said, it's protecting your camera lens. And right here, there was a sticker right here, and that'll go over your fingerprint sensor. So really nice case. I'm not sure how this would work if you would have a Whitestone Dome glass protector on your phone already, but this already has a protector on it. So like I said, this would be great in extreme conditions. So once again, you got some great options. You have a clear case right here, you have a waterproof case, and you have the case that has that sliding door to keep your lens protected. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show.